Welcome to the application guide for Orius Force. Today, we are going to walk through the exact steps to successfully deploy these minute pirate bugs and establish an active biological defense against pests in your crop. This predatory insect is highly versatile. You can apply this treatment effectively across soft fruit and vegetable crops, ornamentals, hemp, cannabis, and in tree or shrub nurseries. Before we begin the application, verify your product size. Orius Force comes in 3 standard options: a 4-ounce, 8-ounce, or 16-ounce bottle. The steps we cover today are identical regardless of which size you have. The single most common point of failure in biological deployment is releasing the predators during the heat of the day. High temperatures and direct sunlight will kill the bugs before they can start working. To prevent that loss, you must adhere to a mandatory application schedule. You must deploy your Orius Force on the exact day you receive the shipment and strictly wait until sundown to begin. Holding your application until the evening cooldown ensures the predators have the entire night to safely acclimate to your crop's environment, rather than dying from heat exposure or flying away from the target zone. Step 1. Move out to your crop field or greenhouse just as the sun goes down. The fading light confirms that you are safely inside the required application window. Looking closely at the bottle, you will notice the predators are mixed with a granular carrier material. This substrate acts as a cushion, protecting the delicate insects and ensuring they survive the stress of transit. During shipping, the bugs can settle at the bottom. To redistribute them evenly, take the sealed bottle and perform a slow, gentle end-over-end rotation. Do not shake the bottle. Vigorous shaking will physically crush a delicate predators inside, destroying your biological control agents before you even open the cap. Next, plan your target zones. For widespread infestations, employ a uniform release pattern, spacing points evenly across every row. For localized flare-ups, instead of a uniform spread, cluster application points tightly around the specific hotspots to target heavily infested plants directly. By treating the carrier material gently and mapping out your distribution pattern ahead of time, you guarantee the highest concentration of healthy predators lands exactly where your crop needs them most. Step 2 is the physical release. Walk to your first planned application point and wait to open the bottle until you are standing directly over the target plant's canopy. Angle the open bottle downward and gently tap the side. This motion allows the carrier material to fall out in small, controlled amounts. Aim directly for the foliage. You want the carrier material to catch and rest securely on the broad leaves of the plant. Be careful not to pour the material out too fast. If it cascades past the leaves and falls directly into the soil, the predators will be isolated on the ground, far away from the pests up in the canopy. At a micro level, the minute pirate bugs immediately navigate out of the granular carrier material and begin walking directly across the surface of the leaf. Once you have tapped out the bulk of the carrier material, you will likely notice a few remaining bugs inside the bottle that refuse to drop out. To manage these stragglers, take the open, mostly empty bottle and firmly wedge it directly into the branches or stems of the plant. Whenever possible, choose a plant that has a particularly heavy pest population as the location to tuck this bottle. Push the bottle deep enough into the foliage so that it is secure and won't blow away in the wind or tip over. You do not need to coax the remaining bugs out. Over the course of the night, those stragglers will naturally crawl out of the tucked bottle and onto the plant. Combining the gentle tapping method for the main foliage with this bottle tucking technique ensures a complete deployment. You deliver the entire population of biological control agents onto the plant without wasting a single bug. With that final empty bottle tucked into the canopy, your active application phase is complete. You have successfully deployed your predators. As you step away, the biological process begins. In the dim light of the canopy, the minute pirate bugs will establish themselves and start hunting their targets. The only remaining task is to clean up the empty bottles you previously wedged into the foliage. Leave those bottles exactly where they are for a few full days before returning to collect them. This guarantees every remaining bug has enough time to vacate the plastic container. By strictly following the Sundown timing rule and utilizing the gentle extraction methods, you have successfully established a self-sustaining biological defense system that will actively patrol your crops. To review these application steps or explore our full line of biological control solutions, visit greenmethods.com.